Right, we do have these going up for sale in a minute when I finish this video, which are the heart-shaped doilies, but you can cut them individually, and that's why I bought them. And you're getting all of the different ones. So that's those. I've also got this. Now, these are my yogurt jars. I haven't actually cleaned them off because I wasn't going to do that. I was going to throw the jars out, and then I thought, do you know what? I'm not going to throw the jars out. Instead, what I'm going to do is fill them. And so I have not taken this off. It just needs soaking, that's all. I don't have the time to do it anyway. But each one, they're all the same, and each one is filled with lots of lovely goodies. Sorry about that, you just have to press it out. There's lots of goodies. Some metal bits, stick pins, stick pin bead caps. Nice fancy one there. And I know they're expensive because I buy them. Another one there. You've got one to do a tassel. Both of those can be used for tassels. Some little ribbons, lots of crystals, clusters, flowers, bits of chain, pearl buttons, little diamantes. You've got lots of diamantes and things like that, little appliques. So these little jars are just oddments. Let me just put that in. I might be able to flatten it at the end. Just oddments for you to play around with, and they're going on sale as well. Actually, I might as well just take a photograph, haven't I? Let me just see if I can get a flat one for that instead of that one. There they are. That's it. We just spread these bits about so that we can just take some pictures, or take a picture of all these lovely goodies. There's lots of bits and pieces, some leaves and all sorts in there, in the jar. Now, I do have these in the shop. These are the little, like a gift bag. And like I was just sharing with you, the one that Claire made. These are great to decorate. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to do mine, I think. Yeah. And just show you how easy they are. Now, I've got some fabrics and materials here that I've got left. And I don't want to waste them. They're just scraps. I've got this one. You know, I've even got these that we're selling in the shop. You could even do that and then put some decoration round. But right now, I'm just going to cover mine using this lace. It's only a piece. That's all I've got left. But I don't want to waste it. So, I'm just going to cover my bag with it. Now, I'm just going to put my glue across there. Make sure I've got this the right way around. I have. Now look, I handmade that. So what if I wanted to use that? Do you remember I showed you how to do these? Just get a little bit of fabric, seeds, seed beads, and I'm gonna, little cameo that I sewed, and I made this trim. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that inside there, and I just like that. I think that's perfect for what I need. Perfect. And then I can also, that's framed that, which I like. So I'm just going to hold that down. And have a look at my others. There we are. This is what I'm after. Just got some acrylic drops, halfbacks, flatbacks, whatever you want to call them. One in the middle there. One there, and one in the middle there, just for further decoration. If you only use these sort of things, using your scraps up for gift bags, you know, just to send a little gift to your friend. You got a friend who's not feeling too good, make them a little bag. It's so easy just to be a little bit creative and send them a little gift bag to cheer them up with some goodies in. Maybe they like something, and you can send that in the post or take it to them, you know what I mean? So, and there you go, little gift bag, and I think that's gorgeous. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.